Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw EUR or euro from Binance. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to your Binance account. So once you're in here under the Binance web, you can go ahead and open up your Binance app if you want to as well. So just go ahead and click on, or hover over your profile and go ahead and go to your assets. Okay, click on assets. And you should be able to see your euro right here. Okay, now once you've reviewed your euro or the amount of euro that you have, and finally you wanted to withdraw it, so just go ahead and click on withdraw right here at the very top. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure in the left panel you have selected withdraw fiat. Okay, click on it. Down here in the drop down, just basically select euro. If you can't find it, just type it down, EUR. Okay, click on it. You'll be able to see all of your available balance right here as well. So you will have the bank transfer SWIFT payment option. Just go ahead and click on continue. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, verify if it asks you to verify, of course. Just basically continue with the verification process if it's your first time. Okay, hit on continue right here. And once that's done, you'll receive a note when you will receive your euro. Just basically wait for it. And once done, you're good to go. Okay, you need to enter your bank details as well in the process. And there you have it. That is how you withdraw euro from Binance. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.